Today we are in a VUCA world. And what is VUCA world? VUCA world is volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. And we all understand the way things are happening around us locally and globally. We all understand that today the world is not straight and simple. It is volatile. Every day so many things are happening. It is uncertain. You do not know as to what is going to happen next moment. It is complex and things are absolutely ambiguous. So, in this VUCA world, where do we get the solace from? Where do we get the solution from? So, the solution will come from ABCD. And what the ABCD is: A is artificial intelligence, B is the blockchain technology, C is cyber security, and D is data mining and data analytics. Undoubtedly, so in this VUCA world, the solutions will come from ABCD. But let me tell you at the same time, together with ABCD, what is also very important is knowledge of finance. Knowledge of finance. So, friends, doesn't really matter as to which industry do you belong to, which country do you belong to, what is your product, what is the nature of the company or the industry that you belong to. It doesn't really make any difference as to what function do you come from, whether you come from a marketing or HR or technology or import or export or production or maintenance. It doesn't really matter in today's world. In addition to the ABCD, what you also need is the knowledge of finance. The knowledge of finance, and that is what is going to be the major source of your strategy to fight against, to put a strong fight against this VUCA world. So now with this background,